If your home miner has gone quiet or stopped hashing, this guide gets you back online. Most dead miner cases are solved by 5 simple steps with no tools, starting with a proper cold cycle. Unplugging the power connector for 60 seconds, because power faults latch and survive a normal reboot. I've also made this guide searchable. Every error string is written exactly as the firmware prints it. Just use Ctrl F to find your specific error, and the guide will take you directly to the fix. The number one cause of miner issues is often found right here in the power section. A miner that appears dead or shows a 0 hash rate is frequently suffering from a power fault rather than a failed component. Next, we look at ASIC problems, where the primary concern is the chip's communication with the board. This area helps diagnose scenarios with 0 chips detected, or partial counts that indicate sensor bus failures. Finally, we address thermal problems by treating heat as a budget that needs to be managed. This part of the guide details which numbers actually matter to prevent thermal throttling and ensure stable, long-term operation. Network problems are often the primary cause for a miner dropping offline, usually stemming from Wi-Fi instabilities like signal interference. One specific trap for home users is the mesh router problem, where automated band steering causes the miner to lose its connection during node handoffs. As we move further down the guide, we arrive at the Stratum and pool problems section, which represents the last mile of communication. This part of the troubleshooting workflow focuses on the specific handshake between your mining hardware and the pool servers. Within this area, you'll find solutions for connection refused errors and authorized failures that keep your hash rate from registering properly. Please be wary of the wrong chain address trap, often called the silent killer, as it allows the miner to hash while shares are actually sent to the wrong blockchain. The master symptom table is your first stop for troubleshooting, pairing each symptom with its most likely cause and the immediate first action to take. It's designed to be the fastest way to self-diagnose your hardware before you even need to touch the machine. Moving into preventive maintenance, most hardware failures are actually avoidable with this simple 15-minute monthly ritual. A short, consistent routine keeps your home miner healthy and helps identify potential issues before they become critical. Whatever your miner is doing, the full step-by-step guide is available at SoloFury.com, and all links are in the description.